was recording already.
I didn't press record. You press record.
You press record. It's our anniversary. Do you know what today is? It's our anniversary. Let me stop. I can't get over that big old head you got there. Where are we going? I don't know.
Disneyland.
Oh, Starbucks. Said Disneyland. I will shoot. That's a trip right there.
Yeah. But you know, some teams like Georgia State University don't like to go to Orlando. So, you know.
So our football team got into a bowl game, right? You know, they was being a little suck at the same time. So the last bowl game, we went to Orlando, and they actually won. This year, the bowl game they get to go to is all the way in Arizona.
I didn't want to go to Arizona.
Who in their right mind said, let's go to Arizona and play the bowl game, cuz why not? Of course.
Well, that's not what they said.
Georgia State said it.
Didn't win enough.
Georgia State probably chose, you know what? Let's do the ball game in Arizona. And guess what they got? The bowl game in Arizona. They did just enough to go to Arizona and was like, that's what I want. So now the tickets to get there is $1,000 at the BP's. Get out.
I'm getting out.
Dang. You ain't there yet?
I need to put some air in this side.
I feel low though.
Huh?
I feel like it's back there.
Yeah.
Yep. So today is December 18th.
I don't know if they got. I don't know if they accept cards.
2019.
Alright, we back.
I got a better view. Ride it like long. Alright, go. So, oh!
You just dropped the camera. God.
No highlight, but a highlight. Ooh. That's what they call melanin.
Yes, I love your physical, but your energy. Why is it so many cars in front of me?
Bars. Ooh.
What?
They got reindeers on their car. You need some reindeer antlers. Please clean up after your dog. I'm tired of it. I'm over it.
Got that dirty window, bro.
See, if y'all wasn't some saps, y'all would have made it. But y'all got the Goo Goo car wash in your face. Go to Goo Goo and get your car wash today. $7 express, baby.
Sponsor me.
92% of my life spent in traffic.
112 of mine. Stand the steamers.
God almighty. Why we both jump so hard though?
Man, I ain't know what was going on. We was
I'm here trying to sponsor Goo Goo. That's what's going on.
I need to smoke.
You know how to get there. Oh, they changed the sign.
Hold on.
Is that the cinnamon Coke or just the regular Coke?
I don't care about no cinnamon Coke. It's the
cinnamon Coke.
It's the thirstiest time of the year.
Made it to Starbucks. The books. Just waiting on the food now, boo. The food and the drinks. What is you looking at? Might go look around in Target for a second.
Okay.
Since we're here.
Gotta eat this. That's that mango dragon fruit and What is that?
Strawberry acai.
Yeah, whatever that is.
The double smoked bacon and cheese. Is it good?
At Atlantic Station. Cold out here. Oh. I see the fit.
Hey.
At the tree.
What's it called?
What's it called? Oh, the what you call it? You know, back in the vehicle. You know. What real
I
quick.
had to get some popcorn.
Yeah, of course you did.
The next stop is
What?
what's the next stop?
I gotta stop at Walmart real quick. You know, we gotta get something to make some cupcakes. I was gonna say brownie. She's been asking to make cupcakes for like a week
I've
now.
been asking.
She's been wanting to make cupcakes for like a week now.
Exactly.
So
And I thought I needed a mixer. But I'm like, hey, I got a whisk. I just do it the old-fashioned way. The only one.
Walmart getting the stuff right now. Put the Sprite cranberry. It's the thirstiest time of the year.
Hey, got silicone straws.
What is that?
Not metal, but silicone. I feel like these, they said it's easy to clean though, but I don't think it's that easy to clean though. And then you got the plastic straw. Somebody done stole a straw, y'all. Okay, we need eggs and a bowl.
Wait. Juice? Juice?
Juice? Stop with tropical punch. A peach
Juice?
punch. No.
Oh, hello.
Not mango.
Mango? Juice?
Peach.
No, juice. Mango?
Peach.
The mango the best thing. Alright, we can get peach. We get peach.
You can get mango.
No,
We can get mango.
Because I'm going to get a lot of mangoes later on tonight.
What you get mangoes from tonight?
It's on the drain. Can you read it? You can't read it.
Who did that?
You just saw it.
Dang. Y'all tripping. You still promoting Google?
Yeah, because they got to bring me my check.
You're gonna walk.
Let's go. Walk across the street like that.
Jaywalk. Just jaywalk.
About to hit up Olive Garden. If you knew us, you would know Olive Garden special. But you don't know us. You would know though. Who ain't blowing? I can't even go. I'll start this car at the intersection. Ain't nobody going but me.
Google. Chill out, bro. I need a little sap at recording.
My bad. Yeah, you know.
I can show you a car haul of our things from Walmart. My Target popcorn. I should have got a small, but you know my eyes was, you know what they say, your stomach too big for your eyes or your eye too big for your stomach.
I ain't never heard nobody say none of that.
With these pans, cause I ain't got no pans to cook cupcakes or make cupcakes, not cook them. We saw some for $12. Well, not $12. It was $10. Like, okay, so I picked them up. It was in the bacon aisle, so I'm thinking, okay. Then I go to the pot aisle. I'm like, these are $7. Why didn't I just get these? And then I go deeper into the pot aisle and find these for $2. 12 cupcakes was $4. So I got 3 for $6. I got 18 cupcakes for $6 when everybody else was trying to sell me 12 for $7 and they ain't $10. So I was like, they might not last long. What is this? mainstays, you know, mainstay. I saved me some money and got more for my money at that. This has nothing to do with the bacon that we're going to be doing, the cupcakes, but well, he has beats and I used them, but his beats are wired and his wire is jacking up and he won't give me the other wire that's in here.
All you gotta do is take it.
He won't give me the other wire that's in here.
All you gotta do is take it.
Nah. No, he ain't gave me the other wire that's in here yet. So I'm like, well, whatever. I'll I can't see none of you. I'll figure this out myself. So
all you gotta do is get it. Take it. It's in the car.
What I did is I bought this little thingy. You know how they use the things, and I don't know, shoot. They be in the car and they use them with things to have wireless stuff. This thing is you can use it in your car, hands-free calls and wireless music in car. But you can also make wired headphones wireless. So I'm gonna try these on the Beats and see what they do. It has a rechargeable battery. I don't know what that means. Why is there a charger? Why would you have to charge this? And how are you going to charge this? Hope it comes with something to charge it with. It comes with a microphone in it and long range wireless. Oh, it comes with it. Reading is essential. Charging cable included. Reading is essential. Got the eggs, the huevos. What you laughing about? That's Spanish for eggs. I didn't have a bowl, so I got a bowl. Got the Minute Maid peach, cause we only do peach over here.
We do mango. What are you talking about? Peach.
This is the most Christmassy thingy that we could find. 97 cents though. So we got red velvet, cause he like red velvet.
I like red velvet.
So it's made with extra cocoa, they said, and there's pudding in this mix. I don't know what that means. It was a dilemma because we didn't know whether to get buttercream icing or cream cheese. But you know, if you get red velvet, you gotta get the cream cheese. So we just got a cream cheese, just like that, and we got that Pillsbury Doughboy.
I want a sponsor from everybody that you got this.
Oh, and we got some sprinkles.
Right.
Cobb Parkway.
Oh, I can't see.
Oh, I can't see either. Okay.
Oh, we here. What's up? We here. Let go. Oh. Garden.
Kitchen.
Hey, my. Let me get the dough for you. You know.
Thank you, boo.
Gentlemen.
Thank you.
We here. We here. I don't know what to get.
Watermelon margarita looks good.
Hey, what we finna do?
Oh, boo!
About to make this doggone. About to make these cupcakes.
Cupcake time, cupcake time, cupcake time, cupcake time. You gotta get your bowl out, cause you know. Got to.
Tell them who you is, Chef Ray.
You just told him who I was, Chef Ray.
Chef Ray got everything finally.
First of all,
Don't
be doing me like that. Don't be adding that little finally in there like I'm just taking forever.
Cause you is.
We're gonna heat the oven to 350.
You reading the instructions?
Yeah. Iron metal or glass pan, or 325 for a dark or non-stick pan. What you think this is? Dark or shiny metal?
Dark and shiny.
Shiny? Dark and shiny. It can't be both. It's either one or the other. I stuck this something wet.
140. Oil it up.
3 eggs.
3 of them things. 1 egg. 2 eggs. Yes. Now we mix. All enough. It's a little messy, you know, but you know. We gonna rock out with it. You feel me? You feel me? And now we wait. Put it on there. Come on. Ooh. First bite. What it say like? Yeah, all on your lip.
They're like sweet. Goodness, that's really sweet. Sweet.
Diabetes.
All right, we out, y'all. See y'all in the next one.